how are y'all doing today? You are here at our SEL Symposium. So congratulations, you can give yourselves a round of applause.
Be resilient students who, in the face of failure, stand up and say, like, that's okay, I'm gonna get back up and figure it out and fix it.
Give our kids a powerful why, because once we do that, we won't be able to help them back.
I feel like SEL helps people identify what their why is, and when you know what your why is, you can move in purpose and build a resilience to face any challenges.
I believe failure can be very paralyzing. It's very scared to not see yourself as, I guess, the best version that you could be. But I had to realize that I would never be able to actually even attempt to be my best self unless I fail.
Being someone who's been in education for almost 30 years, I've come to realize the importance of SEL when it comes to, really the learning environment just overall. And I think that, today it's been made apparent that it's really important when it comes to establishing an environment that's also one that teachers, staff, families, everyone who's involved in the school system, period, it's a great way to bring it all together.
Stress is here, it's in the moment. Stress is when you have too many demands and not enough resources. Fear is immediate real danger. Fear is in the moment, real danger. But pressure is when something at stake is dependent upon your behavior. And my hope is that today was a good place for you to start on this journey. Thanks so much for your time.